The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Neil.
Where's your beard?
I shaved it off. Fancied a change. Beards are such a thing these days.
Yep, ever since beards became a thing. I found them a bit boring.
A thing. Of course, we know what the word thing normally means, but what does a thing mean here?
Our phrase for this programme means a trend or something recognisable in popular culture. If beards are a thing, it means they've become fashionable. Lots of people have them.
Yes, cats on the internet. They're a thing.
Oh, fidget spinners. They're definitely a thing.
Fidget spinners?
Yes, those little metal or plastic toys that you spin on your finger. Know them?
Ah, those things that kids everywhere are playing with.
Not just kids. Anyway, what else is a thing? Listen to these examples.
Using funny GIFs in your message is such a thing.
You know parkour, the sport of running and jumping across buildings. Why is that such a thing?
Organic powdered food? Since when has that been a thing?
A well-known use of this phrase was after American personality Kim Kardashian posted a picture of herself pregnant with the words pregnancy lips.
It's not a term that many people had heard of and prompted responses like this. Pregnancy lips? Is that even a thing?
Yes, when someone refers to a trend you haven't heard of or that you doubt exists. Feel free to respond with, is that even a thing?
But there's little doubt the phrase a thing is itself a thing. It's now been included in major dictionaries.
There we are, a thing. No plans to grow the beard back then.
Only when being clean-shaven becomes too much of a thing.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.